Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we break down the best in next-gen tech to power your build. Today we're checking out the Patriot Viper Venom DDR5 RAM 32GB 2x16GB 5600 MHz CL36, a dual-channel memory kit that delivers lightning-fast speeds, tight timing, and modern compatibility, all wrapped in a bold, aggressive design for gamers and creators alike. This kit gives you 32GB of DDR5 memory, with two 16GB sticks running at 5600 MHz and CL36 latency, a serious upgrade over DDR4 in both bandwidth and efficiency. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming PC, editing high-res video, or juggling demanding multitasking workflows, this kit gives you the power and speed you need. Patriot engineered this Viper Venom series for full support on both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, so it's ready to roll regardless of which platform you choose. Enable the overclock profile in BIOS, and you're up to full speed instantly, no manual tuning required. Now, let's talk about design. These modules feature a fierce aluminum heat spreader that's not only eye-catching, but also built for optimal thermal performance. Its low-profile build ensures compatibility even in tight case layouts or with massive CPU air coolers. Operating at 1.25 volts, it balances high-speed performance with improved power efficiency compared to older standards, a win for thermals, stability, and longevity. And with Patriot's reputation for reliable components and lifetime warranty support, you can trust this RAM to deliver consistent performance in the long run. If you're moving to DDR5 and want a kit that blends sharp aesthetics with pro-level performance, the Patriot Viper Venom DDR5 32GB 5600 MHz is a killer choice at a competitive price. Like the video if you're into performance gear, hit that subscribe button for more daily reviews, and check out the link below if you're ready to upgrade to DDR5 with confidence. This is Gadgetverse, and we'll see you in the next one.